Look what I just found in the dirt here. Buried. See if I can get it out of there. There we go. How's focus? Square notch. Or square top. Yep. Put stainless. Set screw. Okay, we'll keep it. Anyway, I am up here on top again for this is trip number 139 completed. Hi, bird. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I agree. I'm not here to bug you. Okay. I see. What are you doing? You just passing by? Hey? Yeah? I don't think I've ever seen you up here before. Yeah? That's pretty strange, huh? What's up? You're getting pretty close. Why are you doing this? I've never seen you before. I get it. Okay. Am I bugging your nest? Maybe that's what's going on here, huh? Am I bugging your nest? You sure as shit want me to do something. Okay, well, let's see what happens here. I'm going to back up. Yeah, you going to chase me in here, are you? Why? What's wrong with you? Go on now. Go, go, go. Holy shit, you won't go anyplace. Not even for a stick, huh? Well, it's not like I'm afraid of you exactly, but I don't want to hurt you. Yeah? Hi. What's that? Okay, I got no food for you though, bud. If that's what you're asking for. All right, well, I'm going to leave you here at your house, okay? Thanks. Okay, I'm going to back up down the road. Here I go. What, are you going to be my pet and come with me? No fucking way. Come on, you don't want to do that. Oh, man. I don't need a bird. What makes you think I want a bird? Huh? I know. You're saying the same thing. Okay. I'm going to practice my backwards walking here and see what you do. Oh, you're coming with me? Okay, come on. Shit, I'm not even sure what you are. Except you're a bird. Makes you a dinosaur? Yeah? This is weird, buddy. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I've heard of the cat distribution system, but not the bird distribution system. What are you anyway, huh? Hey. Yeah? Why are you following me? You're being awful brave. Yeah, okay, well, I'm gonna head on down the road here, bud. You turn off when you see fit. Are you really gonna follow me? See, yeah. No? Shit, dude. What are you doing? Well, this is a little on the bizarre side. Coming right up to me every time. Yeah, I'm not going to pet you. I'd like to, but I don't know that that's smart. Hell, dude, I don't know what you're doing or why you're doing it, but you are sure as shit doing it. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing off and get to walking, and look at him cutting me off again. What the fuck is going on with you? Come on. Okay, I'm heading on down the road. Holy cripes. Does this bird have a human somewhere? What the heck? It is following me. Dude, what is going on here? What? I wish I could help you, but I don't know what you're doing. Yeah? Hi. I hope somebody can tell me what's going on here sooner or later. Keep circling around. What if I approach you, huh? Yeah? You gonna let me approach? No? Okay. Are you kidding me? What can I do for you, huh? All right. Can I help you? What? Where? Well, this sure shit ain't AI. I've never seen this before in my life, 71 years. Okay, I'm following you. Wow. What's going on here, bud? Huh? Uh-oh. You not know where you're at now? Okay, come on. Come on. I'm right behind you, buddy. Here we go back up on the path. Okay, now what can I do for you? Yeah, come on. All right. You were stopping me, saying, help me. I hope. Either that or I'm... Where? Yeah, I think we're going to have to part ways, but I don't know that you're serious about anything. Hi, bird. Maybe I'll see you up here again, okay? Fucking hit me! You attacked me! Go on, get out of here. Go on. Go on. Go on. Son of a bitch. Okay. We're done playing games. Yep, I'm going. Maybe you'll follow me to the highway and get run over, huh? After that little attack, dude. I'll stand there and applaud. Lucky I didn't have my gloves on. If I had, I'd have probably wrung your goddamn neck. I don't want to grab you. There's something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. Respect the stick, dumb shit. Yeah. Yeah, you take it easy. Lucky I'm not hungry, you little fucker. You're attacking me. What in the name of heaven are you doing? I've never seen this behavior from any creature before. Well, I see ya. I'm gonna put my gloves on and my sticks on and leave you far behind.